Hello, students. In this session, I will discuss with you about what happened that night by Robert F. Dostan. Let's talk about the summary of this poem first. The poet in this poem is trying to tell us about a nightmare which the character Jane saw at night. There are two characters, Jane and Bill, who are brother and sister. Jane often sees nightmares in her sleep, and it was her usual habit to scream or shout whenever she had bad dreams. This was not an unusual day when Bill, her brother, heard her screaming at night while sleeping. He understood that Jane had seen some bad dream again, so he rushed to the hall even faster to comfort her. He saw Jane was laying on her side, and her eyes were wide open, and her face looked frozen. Bill held his sister's hand to make her feel relaxed, knowing that her brother was beside her as usual. Jane's dream once again was about the incident which happened to her long time ago, after which she lost her parents. She saw that she reached home late after her first date and found that her parents were not at home. She got a call from her dad telling her to lock the doors and be comfortable as they too were on the way to home. But they never returned. From that night, she could never see their faces. Through this poem, the poet is trying to show the significance of incident on children's mind, which they never forget and creates a impact, deep impact on the innocent mind. We'll see the word bank of this poem. Scream means to wail or cry. Frozen means motionless. Stare means to gaze. Homeward means towards home. Traces means signs. Let's talk about MCQ now. Question number 1. Jane screamed in her sleep because she had a terrible dream. When Bill heard her scream, he traveled the hallway. Both her parents were alive when she returned from her first date. At the time when Jane arrived home, her parents were not at home. The message that keeps ringing in her ears belongs to her father. Let's talk about comprehension now. Question number 1. What did Bill do when he heard Jane scream? An answer. Bill rushed to assist Jane when he heard Jane scream. Bill knew very well about the mental condition of her sister. Question number 2. Describe the condition of Jane when Bill reached here. And the answer is, Jane was laying on her side with her eyes wide open and her face frozen in a stare when Bill reached there. Question number 3. What did Bill do to reassure Jane? And the answer, Bill held her hand lovingly and gently to reassure Jane because Jane was in depression with a nightmare. Number 4. Which line in the poem suggests that Bill was always helpful to Jane? And the correct answer is, with a quotation, Bill lovingly held her hand, hoping she would understand that, like always, he was there. This line in the poem suggests that Bill was always helpful to Jane. And the question number 5, within quotation, this message she still hears ringing in her ears. Why does the message rings in her ears time and again? And the correct answer is within quotation, this message is still hears ringing in her ears. The message rings in Jane's ears time and again because she was not able to forget the incident which had happened unexpectedly, and in that she lost her parents. Thus, all that imprinted in her mind, and so on. Dear students, continue to study, continue to learn this chapter, and also comprehension, MCQ, along with the word bank and summary of this poem. All of you write down in your English literature fair copy notebook and continue to learn. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a good time.